This is an integrated automation system for the auto bumper production. It integrates a number of equipment including injection molding machine, mold changing platform, 6-axis robot, gate cutter, depression, marking, and weighing, through intercommunication between the injection molding machine and the accessory device to realize automatic manufacturing of auto bumpers. The production pace ensures the cycle time of product weighing about 2.6 kg is less than 50 seconds, with the repeatability less than 0.3%. The mold changing time of the automatic system is less than 10 minutes, with an overall system energy consumption reaching the Chinese level 1 energy consumption, as it can weigh products in real time, and customer management system collects accurate information such as production weight, injection molding machine data, and accessory operating status in real time, allowing customer to better understanding the production progress. The product produced by this equipment is the front bumper for automobiles. The product is made of polypropylen, EPDM, and talcum to provide better additive, impact resistance, and paint adhesion. It is not a mere decorative. More importantly, it observes and mitigates external impact to protect the vehicle and the safety of passengers. As a practical alternative to the classic metal-based auto bumper, it further reduces the weight of the auto body. This solution can also be used in other large plastic products, such as the car door panels, center consoles, house appliance housings. Through highly automated integration, real-time signal interaction, and the production management system, it offers intelligent production in the workshop and overall improvement of the productivity. When equipped with the automatic mold changing system, radio frequency identification mode, and decoupling system for robot feature, the machine can switch product rapidly, making it possible to achieve feasible manufacturing with faster response to the customer's order requirements.